Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to change map view in Lords Mobile. Changing the map view in Lords Mobile lets you switch between your kingdom, world, or other player locations. First of all, open up the Lords Mobile game on your mobile device and wait for it to load into your kingdom. Once you're inside your kingdom, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right. Inside the Others menu, tap on Settings. Under Settings, go to Kingdom Map 3D View and choose whether you'd like to choose the full mode, balanced, or none option. After you make a choice under Kingdom Map 3D View, you can then get back to the home screen. And that's how you can easily change the map view in Lords Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.